Is Samsung TV Plus down? Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service that provides live TV channels and on-demand content. If you're experiencing issues accessing it, the service may be down temporarily, or there could be a problem with your internet connection, app settings, or Samsung server status. Below are possible reasons and solutions. 1. How to check if Samsung TV Plus is down. Visit Down Detector or Samsung's official support page to see if there's a known outage. Check Samsung TV Plus on another device, smartphone, tablet, or another Samsung TV. Look for error messages when trying to access the app. 2. Common reasons why Samsung TV Plus may not be working. Samsung servers are temporarily down, maintenance or outages, internet connection issues, slow or unstable Wi-Fi, outdated software on your Samsung TV, region restrictions. Samsung TV Plus is not available in all locations. 3. How to fix Samsung TV Plus not working. Step 1. Restart your Samsung TV and internet router. Step 2. Check if other apps like YouTube or Netflix are working. Step 3. Update your Samsung TV software by going to Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Step 4. Reset Samsung TV Plus by navigating to Settings, then Apps, then Samsung TV Plus, then Clear Cache. Step 5. If the issue persists, reset your Samsung Smart Hub by going to Settings, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis, then Reset Smart Hub. 4. Alternative ways to watch free TV. Use other free streaming apps like Pluto TV, Tubi, or Freevee. Connect an antenna to watch local channels for free. Use Samsung TV Plus on a smartphone or tablet if the TV version is down. 5. When to contact Samsung support. If Samsung TV Plus is still not working after troubleshooting, contact Samsung support through Samsung's official website or support center, Samsung's customer service hotline, the Samsung Members app for troubleshooting assistance. If Samsung TV Plus is not working, it could be due to server outages, internet issues, or app settings. Try checking for service outages, restarting your TV, updating software, and resetting the Smart Hub. If the problem continues, contact Samsung support for further assistance.